Are you prepared to change the way you clean and reach new levels of home cleaning? Say goodbye to the days of chores and welcome a new era of effortless, effective, and eco-friendly cleanliness. The Handheld Vacuum is your silent ally against dust and debris, offering powerful suction in a compact design. Effortlessly clean every nook and cranny to guarantee a pristine environment for your vehicle or house. But that's just the beginning. Yes, clean and sanitize with the power of steam. With the steam cleaner with Natural Sanitization. Take a step into the future of hygiene. This device uses steam to effectively remove dirt, stains, and bacteria without the need of harsh chemicals. The last of these potent 3 cleaning tools is the Versatile Steam Mop. Transform effortlessly over a range of surfaces, such as tile and hardwood, and depend on steam's force to ensure an effective result. Enjoy a thorough, all-natural cleaning that revitalizes surfaces and makes your home healthier. When you're thinking about improving your cleaning regimen, ask yourself, could this cutting-edge cleaning force be the secret to a more hygienic and effective home for you and your loved ones?